Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add Zapier in Squarespace. This integration allows you to automatically connect your Squarespace forms with other apps like Google Drive, making it incredibly useful for streamlining your workflow and ensuring that form submissions are instantly processed and stored where you need them. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Zapier.com. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready so you can access your account quickly and begin setting up your automation. After logging in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard. Here, look for the Zap button and click on it. This is where you'll create a new automation that connects Squarespace with another application. The Zap is essentially the bridge between your apps, and setting it up is straightforward once you know where to click. Next, you'll need to set up the trigger, which is the event that starts your automation. Click on the trigger button to begin this process. In the search bar that appears, type in Squarespace form and select it as your trigger app. This tells Zapier to watch for activity happening on your Squarespace forms. Now you'll be presented with a drop-down menu where you can choose a trigger event, select New Form Submission from the options available. This means that every time someone submits a form on your Squarespace site, the automation will kick into action. Once you've made your selection, you'll need to sign in to your Squarespace account to grant Zapier access to your forms. Enter your Squarespace credentials, and authorize the connection. After signing in, click Continue to move forward with the setup. The next step is to define what action should happen once the trigger fires. Click on the Action button, and this time search for and select Google Drive as your action app. Google Drive is a great choice for storing form submissions automatically, keeping everything organized in one place. From the drop-down menu, choose an action event such as Add File Sharing Preference. This action will allow you to control how files are shared once they're added to your Google Drive. Now sign in to your Google Drive account to complete the connection. Zapier will request permission to access your drive, so make sure you authorize it properly. Once signed in, click Continue. Finally, you'll need to provide the necessary information to complete the action setup. This might include specifying which folder the files should go into or setting sharing permissions. Fill in these details according to your preferences, then click Continue to finalize your Zap. And that's it. You've successfully connected Zapier with Squarespace and set up an automation that sends form submissions straight to Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.